Hello students, this question is from January 2026. It's from January. Now, the given question is find the change in internal energy of the gas. Its temperature changes 10 Kelvin. Number of moles of the gas is given 10. Cp molar specific at a constant pressure. It's a constant pressure is given. And R value also mentioned. So change in internal energy is asking question. This is from the concept is from concept. It is from molar specific heats. Molar specific heat. So for any concept is given like we should know that what are the related formulae linked with this. So molar specific heat is Cp minus Cv is equals to R. Relation between the molar specific heat at constant pressure and constant volume. And the internal energy means du is equals to NCV dt. Okay, dt is the change in temperature. So now we are doing this. First one, the given data is what you say. It's a temperature changes is dt is equals to 10 Kelvin and number of moles are 10. And next one, the number of moles is given as it's a 10. Cp is given. Cp is equals to 7 calorie. Careful about the units. Kelvin mole. And next one, R also mentioned. So it's a 2 calorie per Kelvin. Okay. So first of all, let us find about Cp because the question is about Cv. Okay. It change in internal energy of the gas. Change in internal energy of the gas. So the change in internal energy of the gas is here du. Du is equals to NCV dt. Du is equals to NCV dt. So I should find Cv from this. So how do you get Cv? So from this relation, Cp minus Cv is equals to R. So what is the Cp given? 7 minus Cv is equals to R is what it said 2. So then Cv is equals to 7 minus 2. This is, it's a 5 units. Okay. So now I'm writing on this. From this is what? du is equals to n number of moles 10 and Cv is 5 and dt, it's a dt is what? It's a 10. Okay. Change in temperature. So this is 500. Okay. 500 calories is the answer. So our answer is 500 calories.